In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce shipping cost in Sam's Club. If you shop online at Sam's Club, a few simple choices can make a big difference in what you pay for delivery. The goal is to avoid unnecessary shipping fees and take advantage of the options Sam's Club already offers. One of the best ways to lower shipping costs is to upgrade to a Sam's Club Plus membership. Plus members can get free standard shipping on eligible online orders of $50 or more. That can be a major savings if you place online orders regularly. Keep in mind though that if your order is under $50, Plus members will usually still see an $8 shipping fee. So the membership helps most when you're able to meet that minimum. That brings us to the next important tip. Try to reach the $50 threshold before checking out. Instead of placing several small orders throughout the week, combine your purchases into one larger order when possible. As long as the items are eligible, getting your total to at least $50 can help you qualify for free standard shipping. In many cases, buying multiple items together is much more cost effective than paying separate shipping charges on smaller orders. You'll also want to choose standard shipping at checkout. This is an easy place where extra costs can sneak in. Express or expedited shipping is faster, but it usually adds additional fees to your order. If you're not in a rush, sticking with standard shipping is the safer and more budget-friendly choice. Another helpful thing to watch for is products marked with a free shipping label. Some items include free shipping no matter what membership level you have. Before you add something to your cart, take a quick look at the product page and see whether that label is listed. It's a simple detail, but it can save you money. If you live near a Sam's Club location, Club Pickup is another great option. Choosing curbside pickup can eliminate shipping costs completely. This is especially useful if you need your item soon and want to avoid both shipping fees and delivery wait times. Finally, be careful with heavy or oversized items. Things like large furniture,